Welcome back to the thrilling match is going between Austria versus Italy. The match has been started. Baumgartner started the match. He's taking the ball. Kick four from the pole. Nicely picked by the goalkeeper. Baumgartner again. Trying their best. Beautiful pass to Lemmer. Conrad. Again Baumgartner. Beautiful pass. Hit. Touch the player. Again hit. Again touch to the player. The ball is outside of the line. There will be corner kick. Trying head it. Another hit but outside of the pole. At the start of the game, just in 10 minutes, Austria trying 2 to 3 times to hit the pole. But all time they failed. Conrad, beautiful pass to Baumgartner. Again Baumgartner leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Lemmer. Nicely cleared by Manuel. Moiskin. Philip. Nicely clear. Baumgartner. Again. Beautiful pass to Conrad. Nicely clear. Tanoli. Beautifully clear. 21 minutes have been passed. Still both team players struggling to achieve the goal. Nicolo Barella, dodge. Again dodge. Nicolo Barella is now leading the ball. Alexander passing to Marco. Baumgartner. This is the big chance but defended. Nicely picked by the goalkeeper. That is the 4th time Austria is attacking over Italy. Whether they will successful to achieve the goal or not. Marco. Again Baumgartner directed and this time got it. Baumgartner got the first goal just after 32 minutes. That is magnificent goal. Far away from the pole. Beautiful pass and directly hit to the net. Baumgartner got the first goal for Austria. As they are trying again and again and Jet got it. Austria 1, Italy 0. Austria is now leading by 1 goal. The Italy team players are now under pressure because at the start of the just 32 minutes, Baumgartner got the first goal. Raspadori, this is the chance. Yes, got it. Beautiful goal executed by Raspadori. Beautiful celebrating style. Magnificent goal done by Raspadori. This is the passing combination. This is the power of the pass. Raspadori did it. Magnificent passing combination between the players and Raspadori executed very well. After 36 minutes, both team players are on equal points. Baumgartner this time again beautiful pass to Conrad, directed but outside of the pole. Again well tried by Austria. Beautiful pass. Lorenzo. Nicely passed to Nicolo Barella. Lorenzo again. Raspadori, beautiful pass to Moiskin. Leading the ball. Moiskin leading the ball. Hit and defended. Again hit. Goal. Tanoli. Beautifully executed just in the last moment of the first half. First time Keane tried but defended. But the second time Tanoli did magnificent goal. Well tried. Defended. But the second time Tanoli did magnificent goal. Marco started the match. Again, half of the time has been over. Second half has been started. In the first half, Austria did magnificent goal. And that was Baumgartner. After 32 minutes got the first goal. But Italy did 2 consecutive goals. Another chance touch to the player. There is a corner kick. Nicely cleared by Italy team players. Just in 15 minutes, Italy got the 2 goals in the first half. and is now leading by 1 goal. Still, there's a lot of time is remaining for the second half to be completed. Anything could be happened beautifully. Nice kick. Lorenzo Nicolo Barella. Another chance. Taking the chance. Destiny. Raspadori. Giannoli leading the ball. Beautiful pass. Nicolo Barella. This time. Manuel leading the ball. There is a chance, but beautifully defended. Moise Kean is now. Beautiful pass to Raspadori. Manuel. Nicely clear. Philip is now leading the ball. Marco is now leading the ball. Let's see what will happen. Whether Austria will take the chance. Direct hit, but outside of the pole. Well tried, but missed it beautifully. Austria 1, Italy 2. Still, 70 minutes have been passed. Both team players putting their full efforts to achieve the goal. Nicolo Barella this time. Conrad. Alexander Pross. Austria is trying their best. Conrad again. Beautiful pass. Taking the chance. Marcel. Touch to the player. Again passing to Alexander. Again hit. Touch to the left pole. What a nice attack by Austria. They want 1 goal to make the game equal. And yes, they are trying for that. Destiny. Beautiful pass. Alexander Pross again leading the ball. Only 10 minutes remaining for this game to be completed. Beautiful pass to Marco. Another hit again. Touch to the pole. Beautifully defended. That is the second time Austria is attacking, but touch to the left pole.
2 added minutes has been
Moise Kean.
indicated.
Alexander Pross. Beautiful dodge. The time is over. Austria 1, Italy 2. Italy won this semi-final match.